All right, everyone, welcome back for another episode of Carnivore Trades. Today's Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. And it appears that the Dow Jones Industrial Average, as well as the Russell 2000, have officially checked back in to the Roach Motel. And we have another rotation on our hands. At least that's what it looks like in the near term. Now, we do have some CPI data coming out tomorrow that can be market moving, but yields are up ahead of the CPI data tomorrow. And you can see the IWM catching a bid here in the corner of your screen. This is intraday. And as the markets were selling off, tech got really rocked here. Spiders got hit as well. And the Dow and the Russell both got bid on that higher yield there. If you look at some of the financials, JP Morgan benefiting as well, Goldman, and XLE. We talked about the weakness in XLE, but XLE is having a nicer day today. Although, again, it's still really kind of just chopping in this range. So still under a little bit of pressure, but crude is getting a bounce here. So, it's holding up for the moment for the time being. But again, I still think energy is a little weak here. But just keep in mind that this market is it's a hot potato. It's a roach motel, and until the carousel stops, money is just going to keep flowing from one sector to the other, and that's exactly what we saw today. So we saw some tech wreck, and as we see, the semis were down tremendously here, and really the Dow just kind of ripped. So it's just a rotation market. You see the VIX didn't really do anything. I mean, it was negative all day. It's been negative all day, even when the market was dumping out. Wasn't really showing you many signs of panic. In fact, if we look at trading view, you can see this is intraday here of the E-mini, and as we were dumping out, the put-call ratio, typically a good indicator to buy the dip, a lot of the indicators that the buy the dippers use, is they'll look for the put-call ratio to really push to the upside when the markets are in max downside mode, and really it did not do that today. So that is a little concerning. That tells you that there's a lot of call buying in this market, and that could be a bit of a contrarian indicator, as the put-call ratio was not really moving much as the market dumped out earlier. But again, until this market really gives us any sort of sell signal, we just got to respect it. It's still in an uptrend, and we'll just kind of leave it at that for now. Also, benefiting very much so today is the Dow Transports. So they're up almost 2%, but again, kind of like XLE, still in this range here, but starting to show a little bit of a downtrend here on the daily time frame. Now the weekly time frame is still pretty extended, although it has come back in quite a bit, and the monthly time frame, which I've gone over with you guys many times here, is still it's coming back from this parabolic top, but I think it has a lot more downside in it. This may just be the beginning stages of a rollover. But again, market is still in an uptrend, and we've got to respect it for now. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just talk a little bit about the dollar here. So dollar index having a nice day. Again, we talked about this pivot yesterday. We still haven't gotten there yet, but dollar showing some follow through. Again, I told you yesterday we confirmed above this trend line with yesterday's close, and now we are coming into this double top. Expect a little bit of resistance there. It shouldn't, that wouldn't surprise me, but with the CPI data tomorrow, things could change. So we'll just leave it at that for now. Volume is a little bit better on the spiders, but it looks like the market is really just waiting for that CPI number tomorrow. As we can see, just 35 million shares traded so far, and it's almost 4 o'clock now, but that's still better than yesterday, as even including after hours, we only needed 41 million. So again, summer doldrums in play, Roach Motel. Yeah, we'll just kind of leave it at that for now, and I'm sure we'll get some a little bit more volatility tomorrow, at least from the CPI number. But anyways, we'll just leave it at that, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, take care.